Hi there, this is Penelope. This is the third video in a series of short videos on lines and planes and things. And what we're looking at here is the situation where we've got two intersecting lines. We've got one line that passes through 517 and 608, and another line passes through 313 and an unknown point. Well, part of it's known, -13, but the third coordinate is just known as alpha. And the question says if these two lines intersect, then find the value of alpha. So we can rewrite L1 as x minus 5 over 6 minus 5. And that's going to be equal to y minus 1 over 0 minus 1, which is going to be equal to z minus 7 over 8 minus 7. And if we can find x and y, then we can use these to find z. So if we just use, say, the first two and rearrange those, we would end up with x minus 5 is equal to -1 times y minus 1, which we could rewrite further as x minus 5 equals 1 minus y. And let's call that 1. We could do the same with L2 and say that x minus 3 over -1 minus 3 is equal to y minus 1 over 3 minus 1, which is equal to z minus 3 over alpha minus 3. And obviously we need to find alpha. We could rearrange those and we could get, again, a statement in x and y. Oops, that's a 3. And we call that 2. Now, if we solve those simultaneously, I won't do it here, but if we solve those simultaneously, we get that x equals 7 and y equals -1. Now we can use that to find z. So to find z, z minus 3 over alpha minus 3 is going to be equal to -1, say if we take the -1 as y, and that will give us that z is equal to 9. Sorry, no, we can't do that. That's only one of them. And then the other one is that z minus 7 over 1 equals 2. And both of those will give us that z is equal to 9 and alpha equals -3. And you could check that by drawing